I'm Amanda Page. I'm from the University of Adelaide, but I'm based at the South Australian Health and Medical Research Institute. Being overweight or obese is a major modifiable risk factor for type 2 diabetes. About 90% of adults with type 2 diabetes are overweight or obese. A report has indicated that 2 out of 3 adult Australians are overweight or obese. Therefore, there is an increased drive for the treatment of obesity. So my research investigates the signals that are generated in the gastrointestinal tract and are sent to the brain to inform the brain on the amount and nutrient composition of a meal. These signals are really important in the termination of a meal. So when food enters and fills the stomach, it causes distension of the stomach wall, which activates sensory nerves that are in the stomach wall that are sensitive to stretch. And these send a signal up to the brain where it's processed, and it leads to feelings of satiety and fullness. My group is really interested in how these signals are initiated and how they are changed in high-fat diet-induced obesity, and how we can modulate these signals to regulate food intake. The funding from Diabetes Australia will fund a project that investigates the effects of cannabinoids, which are naturally produced in the stomach wall, on these sensory signals from the gastrointestinal tract. And hopefully this will lead to new targets for the treatment of obesity and ultimately type 2 diabetes.